At Redfin, we wanted to give our customers an interactive experience. We wanted to have this Matterport 3D home scan on nearly all of our listings nationwide. The market is moving so fast, so being able to see a home without actually having to go and see the home is a real competitive advantage because it means that they can look at a home, look at every nook and cranny, zoom in, zoom out, before they ever actually have to go and tour the home in person. Based on the survey we did, we learned that 78% of buyers worry that their listing photos may be altered or edited in some way that makes them not representative of the home. When you're moving across the country, it can be very costly to go tour a home in person, and just having listing photos isn't enough. Having that digital twin is so key. It gives you the confidence to make an offer on a home sight unseen. Our agents and sellers consider them to be an acceptable form of a home tour now. So it's really just become an integral part of the way that people buy homes, at least for our customers and our agents. I think 3D scans like the Matterport scan are going to become standard practice in real estate. It could be useful to appraisers, it could be useful to insurers. People are just used to using this technology now. And I don't think you can really put the genie back in the bottle. People have experienced it, and I think they're going to come to expect it from now on.